Stop, 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 make you no cry again, no. When I want sleep, my mother go tell me, she go lie me well for bed, oh. She cover me clouds, say make you sleep, 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 my pikin no.
That song, Sweet Mother, summarized the feature of late Mrs. Rose Nwanyinkwo Emecheta Ikueze, née Abodike, whose burial attracted unprecedented crowds to Ihembosi town in Ikueze local government area of Anambra State on Friday, October the 27, 2017. The carnival-like last respect did not miss any stage of burial rites in accordance with Catholic doctrine and the tradition of the community Ihembosi. Who is who in different fields of human endeavor, the laity and clerics from various states of the Federation and beyond came out in their numbers to be part of history of the burial of a woman, many described as a quintessential mother, woman of substance, a role model, and a virtuous woman.
Sweet mother, I never forget you for the suffer where you suffer for me. Sweet mother, I never forget you for the suffer where you suffer for me.
As a devout Christian and full-fledged member of the Catholic Women Organization CWO, St. Anthony's Catholic Parish Ihembosi was filled to capacity during the burial mass.
Yeah.
The Auxiliary Catholic Bishop of Awka Diocese, Most Reverend Jonas Benson Okoye, said he was touched by people's testimonies about the positive life and times of late Mrs. Rose. Acknowledging that death is a price all mortals must pay, the bishop noted that it is not the end of life for those who died in Christ Jesus.
I came for the funeral simply because the testimony of the parish priest, Father Obodozie, I was really touched by her commitment to her faith, her generosity to people, her constant participation at the Holy Eucharist. Every day she was at the Holy Mass, giving also the countless testimony people will have about her. That alone should be able to encourage the family to continue to move on.
Urging the children to sustain their late mother's footsteps, Most Reverend Jonas Benson described late Mrs. Rose Nwanyinkwo Emecheta Ikueze as a good Christian mother who held tenaciously to her faith even in her trying moments on earth. Then came other Christian burial rites in the church before the remains of Rose were conveyed to her husband's compound in Dinkwa, Umuabo village, Ihembose. The body was finally committed to Mother Earth amidst prayers for the repose of her soul. In their tributes, the children promised to keep her legacies of love, kindness, truthfulness, charity, peace, and above all, being close to God.
That friends who I do hire. My name is Move. I put it doing. That is Move. I don't know never. How you put it on never.
That's only with them too much. But see, honey, remember when you married me. I will not again Europe or Tosika Benetan, Camaro to Mono.
A very good woman in every aspect of the world, very good. She impacted a lot on people's life. She helped those that are in need. And that is what she taught us. That is one thing we learn from her, that when you are richer than somebody or when you are better than somebody, you have to help that person out.
If you get so, only I just want to catch a machine here. Okay, to make it in short because Moketa, woman, come on the Pelham, Pendos, Busigo. Neke abobata like this. Ya pukolo maka je go here before mo abata na aban.
I learn good kalata. I learn to go church. I don't like to go church, but this mama teach me how to go church. Yes, teach me how to go chapel every day, even in mass I go.
Relatives, close associates, friends and well-wishers throng the Emecheta Ikueze family compound to condole with those Mama left behind.